Team Hook House. We are going mountain biking again today. I wanted to go wakeboarding, but Bobby said, I don't want you to be gone all day today, and that is a full day adventure. So we're not doing that. But our buddy Sean invited us to go to Keystone Bike Park. He thinks we can get in. If not, we'll just go do a different trail. So we're gonna go do that. But before we do, we gotta go say what up to two people. What up?
Nah!
What up? You're not dressed. Of course I'll get her dressed. Oh my goodness, look how cute you are. Give me a smile. Hi guys, I love you. Alright, so Keystone was closed. Only open Thursday through Sunday. Didn't know that. So we are at the 10 Different Trail, which is still another sick trail. We got Sean now, and it's gonna be sick. So enough talking. Let's pedal our faces off and then freak out as we go down.
How do you pedal your face off?
Dude, trust me.
You pedal your face off.
You're about to learn. Yeah, this would have sucked to ride through. I think it's kind of destroyed the berm too. You okay? It's hard to see the view because it's smoky, but dude, this trail we're about to do has one of the best views. I've never been up any higher either. Sean told me my tire was a little on the flat side though, so I gotta put some air in this thing before we descend. Alright guys, so Sean has the camera on his bike and he's gonna follow behind me. We'll see if he can keep up. I've been working hard, and then I got my point of view like normal. You'll hear me screaming and freaking out and whatnot. There is a pretty tough turn, only one hard turn.
And there's people.
We gotta watch out for people.
And you're first, so you get to hit them.
Yeah, I'll be hitting all the people. Got the new pedals on the bike. We're doing good. Here we go. This might be hard to get through. Maybe we should have went through this first. Yeah. Now we're gonna start. Send it. Here we go. So far, so good. This trail is a little drier than A Basin has been. I've been riding a lot of A Basin. Woo. Get my gears in the right spot. I always struggle shifting. Gotta get better at that. There he is. Look at the view, boys and girls. Alright, this is the harder turn. I've been working on my turns though. Absolutely not. But there's a view. Dude, I struggle with turns. This one's hard.
Yeah, dude, I thought you were gonna go over the rail.
I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try it again. But dude, while I hike back up, enjoy this view, guys. Lake Dillon's gorgeous. I went too slow. That's what I think I did. One more. God, this thing's so hard. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Woo! Oh man, I'm pretty stoked on that. I've never done it, and it took me three times to get it. And I was
keep trying, right?
scared out of my mind. That's where the fire was, right there.
Yeah, that was the first year I moved here.
You okay?
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. I just slipped down around the corner.
Scared me, I thought you had died. Dude, we're doing good on these turns. Yeah, this one's a little... A Basin Trail is designed for us to like... Yeah, this is kind of more of a free ride almost, I would assume. And smacked by these little branches, like squack, squack, squack. We got people, Sean. Thank you guys. Hi doggies. I have no idea how close Sean is behind me. Slow down a bit. Ooh. Sean, you behind me? Ooh. Oh. My bike squeaks so bad. It's just dirty brakes. These trees are kind of scary. They are close. Oh, to the trail. Gotta turn right here. Try not to go too fast and pass Sean. Yep. Turns, man, they get me every time. Ooh. How's it going? Good. That's my brakes. I've always had squeaky brakes on this bike.
Brake pads?
No, because I just got them checked out and they said they're fine. They just, the brakes get dirty. There's like a cloth you can get to clean them that stops the squeak. And whoa, that was scary almost. Oh my, that was scary. It's a tight trail. You gotta like be on it or you're off of it, like there. Oh, oh man. I'm out here struggling on these turns. I think the other way we went up is... You okay? Views for days. Oh. This is a trail that me and Bobby used to hike a ton. Then we had kids, and then it's really hard to hike with kids. But one day we'll get back to hiking. She likes hiking. Oh man, huge rock. You okay? You good? Yeah, it's a big rock too. Yeah, my big butt was in your way. Another big rock and a stump. It's so much more fun doing dangerous stuff with your friends because you're both risking your lives. That turn felt good. I pumped it a little bit. Go right through these rocks. Thought I was going to. So the camera that's on Sean's bike, I was gonna put on to. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That almost died right there. Ooh. The camera on Sean's bike, so I was gonna put on my bike so you guys can see my face. But then Sean was like, "You should put on your bike or my bike, and I can see your butt." I was like, "Oh yeah, people want to see my butt." So that's the route we went with that one. More drop section. Climb. Oh. We're almost out of here. Whew. People on the way. Thanks, man. Whoa. Almost died. More people. Hello, guys. Sorry. Thanks, guys. One more biker too. There's the bottom right there. Ooh, we survived. Well, I mean, something could go wrong, but we fell off the bike, what, twice, 3 times? I do know this section is a little getting out of here. Oh no, it's not bad. Oh, you're right behind me. Let's go, dude. Easy peasy. Hey, we all fell off our bike today. Yeah, it means we're pushing ourselves if we're falling off, right? Comment down below, guys. Are we pushing ourselves or do we just suck?
Yeah, I think it's the latter. I think we just suck.
I'm so hyped that I got that turn. You guys have no idea. So, you know, I always say if you guys want to support the channel, my mountain bike helmet, all my mountain bike gear is in the description. Well, Sean used the description and got the same helmet, but in blue. He loves it. Do you know all the colors they come in?
Quite a few. I don't. There's like a red, a black, a flat black. I think there's a yellow. There's a whole lot of them. So just check the description for the link. This is a really killer helmet. It's not cheap, but you know, it's a lot cheaper than having to go to the doctor because you messed up your noggin.
And it also turns into like a Joe Blow mountain bike or bike helmet. You can take the full face off, which is really nice. I just keep the full face on because as you saw, I fall off the bike often and I don't want to die. All right, guys. Sean's the boy. His channel's in the description. You know that. And with that, thanks for shredding it with us today. I'm really enjoying the mountain bike videos. Trying to get Bobby to go to Oregon still. Well, no, we'll finalize that trip literally like probably the day before we leave. That's just how we roll. Yeah, if you guys missed the how to balance YouTube versus work-life balance, YouTube and family, it's tricky. Check that video out right here. And with that, Team Outcast, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.
Holy crap!